At dahil po lahat ng bagay, lahat ng tao, lahat ng lugar ay magkakaugnay, we encourage you also here on Kababayan LA not just to be involved with our Filipino community, but also in others or Asian community, mas malaking circle po yan, or mainstream America. And when it comes to traveling also, alam ko marami sa inyo bumibisita sa Pilipinas. Why not stop over Korea? Dahil napakarami pong magagandang mga tanawin na maaari nyo rin pong bisitahin katulad nito. Annyeonghaseyo, Chum Achim Imnida. Magandang umaga mga kababayan mula sa Korea. We are starting our day bright and early today to visit the Sunrise Peak. As you can see right behind me, this is one of the 3 UNESCO World Heritage Sites here in Jeju Island. And we are still here in Jeju Island, the biggest island in Korea, but also the smallest province, and we are here to explore. Are you ready? Well, let's go. Songsan Ilchulbong is located on the eastern coast of Jeju Island. Believed to be a holy spot for prayer, this beautiful area is one of the landmarks of the island and should not be missed. The name Songsan, meaning castle hill in Korean, comes from its sloping form resembling a grand castle. It is a perfect spot to watch the sunrise, and thus this is called Songsan Ilchulbong or Sunrise Peak. Originally, Songsan was a small islet off Jeju Island, but a 1.5-kilometer long, 500-meter wide reef provides a bridge. The structure is a lava cone created by a submarine volcanic eruption some 5,000 years ago. It measures 377,872 square meters and stands 182 meters above sea level. Its round crater measures 450 meters latitudinal and 350 meter longitudinal, and 99 big and small rocks mark the circumference, giving it a crown-like appearance. The crater is 19 meters deep, and its appearance varies from season to season and depending on where you stand. A hefty climb brings visitors to the top of the peak. Visitors are prevented from entering the crater by barbed wire, but they can still enjoy the panoramic views of the surrounding area. Jagged rocks stick up like teeth along the crater's perimeter. It is definitely worth the view, even if you do not make it in time for the sunrise. And so finally, we are here at the base of Songsan Ilchulbong, or the Sunrise Peak. They say there are 500 steps to get to the top. 500 baitang daw po. And I don't know about you, but I am ready for the challenge. Staircases a lot. Remember, I even fractured my left foot by falling down the staircase at my own home. Well, I think I did good today by climbing 500 steps or 180 meters high, reaching the top of this Sunrise Peak, and I made friends along the way. Say hi, annyeonghaseyo. Annyeonghaseyo. Well, until next time, we'll see you here on Kababayan LA from Korea. Bye, 감사합니다. I really enjoyed that. Actually, it was a beautiful view, well worth it. Pero medyo mahirap po talagang umakyat, 500 plus steps. But you know what's surprising? Medyo po marami rin kaming nakasalubong na mga older people that were still able to make it to the top. And you know, wala naman pong race dyan. You can take your time. But then overall, Jeju Island, really beautiful, beautiful island. They consider it the Hawaii of Korea. Kaya make sure that if you visit Korea, make sure that you pass by Jeju Island. Magbabalik pa po kami dito sa Kababayan LA. Don't go away.